Welcome dancehall gang, back with another video. Welcome to Tea Time with Tea. Mega show no a few clips of what's going on downtown. Everybody around the world happy down to Drake. Mega show you a video of his previous lawyer, what he had to say, and his current lawyer. Everybody downtown just happy. Everybody a post. I actually have a video of him leaving. I didn't even know that he was gonna leave today, but he was set free today. I have a video of him leaving the prison with his wife. So thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned.
One done. Yeah. One done. I'm a baby. Kiss me,
No, block the camera, no, block the camera. We're not past here. We're not past here. Just back. Just back on the side. Just back. What was it like being inside? Hey, this Hey, this I'm not telling you them stay outside.
As you can see, guys, again, that the boss out happy and free of Pasadena wife. Now you're gonna listen to his former attorney and his current attorney, and I started saying hungry, you want to go to KFC.
A case like this, what are you looking forward to?
KFC.
As former defense attorneys, when the Adidja Palmer et al. Matter came up for trial in the first instance, the team, including myself, Christian Tavares Finson, Pierre Rogers, Tamika Harris, Michael Lawn, and Everton Dua, welcome the judgment handed down this afternoon in the Court of Appeal by the recently appointed President of the Court of Appeal. Certainly, as lead defense attorney at the trial, I believe that the judgment is in the interest of justice and lends credibility to the various objections which were raised by the defense team at the initial trial. Let us not forget that the Privy Council had initially quashed Kartel's conviction. I think the fair treatment of this kind of high-profile matter by the Privy Council is another reason why many Jamaicans, including myself, continue to support the retention of the Privy Council as the country's final court of appeal, or as it's referred to nowadays, the apex court.
In this video, guys, I don't know how true it is, but they claim that a fan has fainted waiting on Vybz Kartel to come out. Somebody that come and say, I'm hungry, never eat from morning. But anyway, the next video is somebody that had a was closer to Kartel when he was going in his vehicle.
Real boss, big up your real boss, your real boss. Big up your real boss. Big up your real boss. I wish the real boss. I wish the real boss around here. Yeah, real boss. I wish the real boss around that song. Big up your real boss.
You remember Shawty, Kartel first baby mother? Well, she went live, and some people in live on the comment section and chat about, I bring up my wife and this and that. And this is what she had to say about that.
Shawty said she is unbothered by Vybz Kartel and his fiance.
Them bother for true. I mean, no bother, me no bother, me no bother. Me, I'm on Tanisha, never true. Yeah. How it really go? Sun's gonna be gone. Me ain't enough shoes lace. Yeah? Okay, I'm not a shoes lace. And the fuck this poster. Be a fuck on that talk on no, yeah? Me not papi show. Look at that, I'm gonna go. Me not papi show. Me have my own things. Nobody can't tell me when to drive out or when to move. Yeah? You hear me say? That me I tell you. So yeah. If you know, you know. Pat can I move that, not me.
So now we'll hear a word from Isaac Buchanan, Vybz Kartel's current lawyer. This is what he had to say.
And so I'm saying we are very elated. We do go with the mantra God on time, and we're very happy that the court made the right decision. Justice was served today. Mr. Palmer, Sean Campbell, Kahira Jones, and Andre St. John, they were innocent from the start. They maintained that, and justice was served today.
Send some rules, guys.
How you feel, Kartel?
Feel good. It's a joy.
What was it like being inside prison?
Hell. I'm here to tell the youth them stay out of.
All right.
Yeah, man, the boss free. Big up Kartel, big up Gaza fans. Glad for no saying their road. Uptown, downtown, everybody. Everywhere you drive, every shop, every barber shop, every supermarket, every nearby, every little shop or road that play Kartel. They might play music from 2 o'clock. So just make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share. See you next time.